AlDI's, and I'm going to show y'all what we have in here that we need to be having more. So stay tuned, y'all. As y'all can see, this is a store that we're going to be going into. You see it's packed. Everybody be pulling up to this store, but we finna go in here. So stay tuned, y'all. As y'all can see, y'all, I done made it into the store. This is the first refrigerator I went to. Y'all see the fresh fruit over here. Not fresh fruit, but frozen fruit. My bad. Anyway, they got the waffles over here. They be busting, y'all. They $1.49, so I had to grab me one of those. You know, right? So then I also seen them French toast cinnamon sticks. Yes, and I got me some of that Texas, what's that, garlic bread. I had to get some of that. Y'all see it. That's what it's giving. And look at that chicken pot pie. I thought about it, but I can make that at home. Why? But I kept on going, y'all. And this right here was some kind of potato, egg, garlic. But this all the stuff we had right here. Y'all see that I had got that teriyaki Alaska salmon burgers. I got that. Yes, I had to try that. And I got me some of that broccoli bites. I seen those. Had to try it. And moving on to the next, I had seen them cluster crab, but I did not get them cluster crab because I don't like crabs in a box. I had a bad experience with crabs in a box, so we're not gonna do that. They was on $7.79, but then I got me some tilapia. We love tilapia, so I seen the eggs. I didn't get the eggs. I had to get my almond milk. I love me some almond milk. Everybody in the house loves almond milk. I really don't use almond milk in macaroni and cheese because it tastes too sweet, so I get the regular milk. But moving on, keep on going. Got me. Did I get the orange juice? No, I didn't like the orange juice. I didn't like the names of the orange juice, so I kept going. Then I got me some sausages. Had to get some of these turkey sausages, $2.89. They was on sale. But this store, you know, it need to have more stuff in it. But I enjoyed myself in this store, and I wanted to take y'all with me and show y'all what they giving in this store. That was the chicken legs, the chicken thighs, and right here was a party truo right there. I didn't grab those. I was just showing y'all that was the lamb, ground lamb, whatever it's called, bone in, pork chops or whatever. These voiceovers be giving what they supposed to be giving. That's the salmon, but I don't like the black behind the salmon, so no, I did not get the salmon. I was looking at the pizza, and then these, you know, just looking at stuff, showing y'all stuff. It's going so super fast. I didn't get none of those. I was just picking it up, showing y'all as well. So moving on. We still in the refrigerator. Everything is like in the refrigerator over here. Everything you want. It might be some cereal in there. Who knows? That was liverwork, y'all. I used to eat that when I was a little kid. I still love it. But I'm looking for the Farmer John one. I didn't get no cheese. No, but I want to try these cheese fries. So I did grab those. Yes, it's something different. Cheese fries. We're going to see what they're giving to. So these are all the canned goods, y'all. The chili beans, the seasonings, oils, avocado oil. I didn't get none of that. I'll get it cheaper at the other store. But they had that one for cheaper, though. This is all the cake mixes, the cans and stuff right here. We don't have a lot of, like, a variety and stuff, but I'm just showing y'all what we got out here, you know. But they have good sales. I can say one thing about this store, they have good sales on certain items. But that's all the juices right there. I had to get my plum, berry, cherry juice, black cherry plum juice. My bad, y'all. I'm trying to go with the flow of this video. I'm trying to keep up. But this all the stuff I had got in my basket. Mind y'all, I was on a $60 budget, okay? So I went in here to spend $60 to see what I can get, right? All right, so let's keep on going, y'all. I had to get some granola. I like granola. The honey oats, those are good. So we're going to keep on strolling down. These are all the cereals. I don't get cereal out of here. I go to my other store and get cereal, but they had chips. But I did grab these chips, though. These chips are good, y'all. Yeah, them chips is busting. Just to let y'all know. I did like them chips. And the pickle ranch. Y'all know how to get my pickle ranch. Come on now. Y'all know I love my pickles. So that's moving on. Come on, girl. What else you looking at? Because you was going super fast. I got the Chip Ahoy. They was on sale. You see right there, they say $5.28 for that family pack. You can't beat that. Come on now. Some Chip Ahoy, you know Chip Ahoy, they a family pack, and Walmart be like 10. So I went over here for some hot dog buns, put them back, because that one was open. And then I went and got me some bread. But I got these hot dog buns because I'm making something special with that. So I'm going to show y'all. And I got some bread. They bread is always soft, though. You know? They got some good bread, though. Like, for real, they bread be soft. Love it. Moving on. I don't know. I was just showing stuff right here. But I think I had got me some everything bagels. Girl, pick them bagels up. That was the last bag. I sure did pick that up. Them bagels fire. That's the fresh fruit. Apples, pears, you know, stuff like that. More apples. Over here is vegetables. A lot of vegetables. I think I got some cucumbers. Did I grab cucumbers? I think I did for my cucumber salad. Yes, I did grab 2. They was 97 cents. That ain't bad. That's the long cucumber. Doing good. They got strawberries, berries, watermelons. That look good right there. But that's all I have in my basket. This is my $60 budget, right, y'all? Okay, y'all see that? So we gonna see the damage. This is the Halloween stuff they had. They only had like a little bit of Halloween stuff right there. So I wanted to show y'all what they had. They really didn't have too much, but it was just like a little section right there. So you see little pots? Ain't them cute? Them some cute little pots. What we gonna put up in there? I don't know, but I was messing with stuff. You know how you messing stuff while you in line? That's what I'm doing. So now we finna go up to this register. Now I'm over here bagging up my own stuff because they do not bag your groceries, which is a good thing though, because you know sometimes they don't know how to bag it right. But I think I kind of messed it up too, bagging my own groceries, because I had busted the bag, y'all. So I'm glad y'all came here and watched this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. That way y'all know every time that I drop a voiceover video. But I have another video coming, so y'all know, y'all stay tuned. I'm bagging up my groceries, y'all. Look at me. I should be working here. No, not. Because I'm not bagging on nobody's groceries but mine. But I did bust that bag, y'all. So, get back in the car, and this is what I spent. $61.82. That